Is the food ready?
No, Mama. Nothing has been cooked. I'm starving.
I knew you would not be able to prepare anything. Okay, do one thing. Take out the packet of chicken nuggets from the fridge and put it on the microwave tawa. And now place the plate in the microwave.
Papa, quickly switch it on. I'm starving.
How much time? And which mode?
Turn the pack and show the barcode on camera quickly. Time and mode both are set.
But how?
With the scan to cook feature. Now I'm sure you'll at least be able to switch it on, Mr. Chef.
Enjoy the convenience of Scan to Cook. Just scan, send cooking directions, and start LG Charcoal Healthy Oven. Quick, easy, yummy.